of the Always Believe House. Oh, today we're going to continue factoring. We're going to have a blast. Okay, so let's get going. And a magical whiteboard appears, and we're going to start rocking and rolling. Okay, so let's go. Let me find one that I want to do first. Let's do number 2. Let's do number 2. Okay, so on number 2, we did this yesterday. Y'all did well with it, okay? This was pretty simple stuff that you did yesterday. On number 2, we're going to write down the 70. We're going to get the factors of 70. So 1 times 70, 2 times 35. Remember, you could do this on the calculator if you do 70 divided by x, graph it, and hit Control T, right? 3 won't work, 4 won't work, 5 times 14, and then lastly, 7 times 10. Those are the factors of 70, right? Now then, we want to subtract and get the 3, don't we? So which set of factors subtracts and gives us 3? It's the 7 and 10, right? 10 minus 7 is 3. So I'm going to draw my 2 parentheses, put A and A. This sign drops. Which factor is larger? It's the 10 in it. What do you do to the negative 10 to get a minus 3? What do you do to a negative 10 to get a minus 3? You got to add 7, don't you? Negative 10 plus 7 is a negative 3 in it. Okay? That's how you were working the problems yesterday. Now then, let's go to number 9. On number 9, they put a number in front of the square term. Okay? Now then, what happens on today's worksheet is this number will divide into all the other numbers. So what you're going to do is pull out, that's your GCF, right? That's what we did 2 days ago. We factored out a GCF. So we're going to write down 3, and we're going to divide everything by 3. M squared plus 3m minus 70, right? And I just wrote my factors of 70 out, didn't I? I need the factors of 70 that subtract and give me 3. That's going to be 7 times 10 in it. Okay? Now then, I'm going to drop the 3, draw 2 more parentheses. My m goes first, and the plus drops. Which number's bigger, the 10 or the 7? The 10 goes here. What do you do to 10 to get to positive 3? You're going to minus 7, right? This right here would be my answer. Let's go through and do another one. Okay. Number 11. What number's in front of the square term? It's a 5, right? So I'm going to divide 5 out. This is going to turn into 5 parentheses p squared minus 9p plus 18. Okay, so I need the factors of 18, don't I? So I'm going to write down 18, 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, and I want to add and get 9. Which set adds and gets 9? It's this one, isn't it? So I'm going to drop my 5, I'm going to draw 2 parentheses, my p goes first, this sign drops. Which factor is larger, the 6 or the 3? The 6 goes first. And I want to get to a negative 9. What do I do to negative 6 to get to negative 9? I need to do a minus 3, don't I? Negative 6 minus 3 is a negative 9 in it. I'm going to do one more for you. You can do the rest on your own. These are pretty simple. The rest of these are just like this. So we start off, we have a 5 in front. We're going to divide everything by 5. That's going to turn into 5 parentheses, n squared plus 6n minus 27. I'm going to write my factors of 27. So 1 times 27, there's not many. 3 times 9, that's it. Which one subtracts and gives me 6? It's the 9 and 3 in it. So I'm going to write down 5, draw 2 parentheses. I'm going to put n and n. This sign drops, and the 9 is larger. It goes first. What do I do to plus 9 to get to a plus 6? I need to minus the 3, don't I? This right here would be the answer. Piece of cake. Okay, very, very important. Today, not only do you do this, there is a video quiz you're going to watch. Those video quizzes are huge, okay? Helps you understand. Go through the quiz. Don't worry if you miss it, but make sure you're watching the whole video. On Canvas, I can see if you spent the time to watch it. If you watch the whole video, you're going to get 100. Want you to watch the video. Make sure you take the video quiz. At the end, you got to click submit. If you don't click submit at the end of the video, it does not look like you did it in my Canvas. So make sure you click submit at the end of the video. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Get these worksheets done before Monday. Get the Canvas quiz done before Monday. Have an awesome, awesome day. Remember, you are amazing. You were created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.